say to me now? I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl also here with another video. Kama kawaida, if you're new here, karibu sana. You love these videos, and if you're my returning subscribers, thank you very much. I love you so much. Before we continue, guys, please make sure you hit that notification bell to get me of my videos when I post them. Make sure you give me a thumbs up because it supports my channel. Make sure you hit that subscription button, very hard to watch. Hit that subscription button. So guys, today is on Saturday, so I was just stupid, so I decided I didn't have the content to do, so I decided let me wash my fridge with you guys, because don't worry with the stickers that I put there. I forgot that my t-shirt was torn, so I had to hide, but don't worry, just because I'm in the house. I later knew it after I've done the videos, and I could not redo it because I already done it. So guys, thank you. I'm going to wash the fridge with you guys. I'm going to do some shopping for the fridge, weekly shopping, because I have totally nothing on the fridge because we have been having some electricity problems. So stay tuned.
So guys, as you can see, the fridge is
Now
empty. I have no shopping. I'm going to do my weekly
But I'm
shopping.
thinking of buying a ring
So
light
guys,
because I
stay
don't
tuned
have
as I'm
one,
going to the
because I
mat,
don't
but
have
I
it
won't
also.
show you at the mat
I feel
because
like
the mat that
just
I'm
buying
using
a ring
is
light
this
because I
mat,
stand with the light, so
but they
guys
don't
will bear
allow.
with me for
So
now.
guys,
So just
let me go. I'll see you when I'm back.
so let's go to the
Peace.
shop.
So guys, here we are back. I'm back from the supermarket and this is what I got. As you can see, I have my unga there, soko. I got 3 kg because they are over in the house. I got my buns there. I got some queen cakes for the baby boy. So I've gotten some spices here. Here we have this a black pepper. Then these, I forgot the name, but in a pancake. Then I have my pilau masala there. Then I have my cooking oil here, 2 liters. Then I do have my blue band there. Yeah. Then here I have my Minute Maid juice there. Yeah, you must have some drinks in the house by the way. Then I got my Dawat spaghetti, 2 of them. Then I got some milk. I think there are 3 packets. Then I got small milks. Unakumbuka tukifunza hii shule hii ndio ilikuwa sijui tetrahedron pack. I don't remember. Let me check. Even I can't see, but I remember they were using this as an example. Then I got them 4 pieces. I got them my Fanta juice, but I have already drank some. Then I have my water there. See, I only drink this water. I got my tomatoes there in there. Yeah, so guys, that's the shopping I got. It's not that much, but that's what's in. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to arrange them in the fridge. So that's it. I want to show you. I forgot to show you. I got some ice cream there. Yeah, we don't have that much, so that. Guys, you wondering my t-shirt. So guys, that's it. So if you're new here, I forgot to do the intro, by the way. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. We like visitors, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for 105 subscribers. Road to 200 subscribers, guys. Make sure you give me a thumbs up because it boosts my channel so that other people can watch the video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell so that whenever I post another video, you'll be on my notification, you'll be notified where you are. So guys, stay tuned on the next video. See you on my next video, guys. Goodbye, peace.